In this folder, external CSS folder, we have made which file? Which file? Home.html.
Import.html and
import.html and import.css. So in that, I guess we have seen some responsiveness part. Okay, so this one was the CSS. Okay, so according to device, it was getting rearranged and content was getting restructured properly. That was one example of import CSS. What else pending? Okay, we can create one more file for overflow related. That is also one important thing. What is that overflow? Overflow, like suppose you have created a division and inside the division you have less space and more content. Less space and more content, then how to manage that? Okay, so there we can use a property called overflow, and in that we have overflow, auto overflow, X auto overflow, Y auto. So that we are going to see in the same example. Same folder you can create. Overflow.html. Overflow.html. We can write the internal CSS only, or maybe we can create one separate file also, no problem. Head. We can write here for link rel equal to style2.css REL equal to something else. This should be HREL. Now you can create a file, style2.css also. Okay, so hope CSS file is ready. Now let's go here, write a division ID equal to block1. Inside this block1, you can add some text data. Roshan, your email ID is RG71243.
Yes, sir.
So you have already got permission. You can keep a big word. Okay, something like this. For you also it is saying permission is already there. Name is called CSV. CSV is SONAR18. Whose email ID is that? Chetan email ID. You also have got email, you can follow that. You can search in your email and then from there you will access this. Same step you can follow. Okay, so ready, text is added. Now after adding the text, Let's come to the CSS file. Text here. How I have given the complete big words so that we can apply some other property of CSS also. Word wrapping. So it will break all the words into a small text and then it will fit properly. Now come to the CSS file, style2.css file. We have to write a ID called block1, and for block1 we need to add some CSS. For block1 we need to add some CSS where word wrapping will happen, as well as you can say a scroll overflow will also get applied. The style CSS style1.css file, block1 has block1 background of this block, keep as a orange color, keep height 200 px, width also 200 px. Depth 200 px and margin left not margin left, float left. Margin 30 px. Now save the file and check once. Your HTML will look like text is going out of the division. The HTML will show the text will be out of the division. Text will show out of the division. Because the words are big words, it is more than 200 pixel. So it is like this. Height wise, minimum height, all has the problem. Content went outside because it's a single word and big words completely. So for that, first height we have mentioned, no problem. First break the word. So word wrap or word break. It's called word hyphen break colon break hyphen all. Word break, break all. Word break, break all. Word break, break all. So we can see here, all break happen. All are able to manage. But the problem is still padding is not there. No problem. We can apply some padding. OTPXP given. So it will fit inside. The OTPXP given, it will fit inside. It is okay here. But you can see this content is still outside. Now content went outside. Content went outside. So what is the solution for that? If height is limited height and content is more, so why can't we apply a scroller here? So that inside the division we can scroll and we can see. So for that we have a property called, you can apply the overflow. Overflow, let's apply here overflow auto. Overflow colon auto. So wherever the content more will happen, either top to bottom or bottom to left or left to right, the automatically in the bottom and right side horizontal scroller will get applied inside the division. Overflow auto. Overflow auto. Now let me see how the overflow auto is working. It's happened from beginning to last. Something like this. Within the division only a scroller got applied and you are able to scroll easily from top to bottom. Okay, so hope your scroller got applied. This is overflow auto. Overflow auto will apply the scroller in the left also and it will apply the scroller in the right also. Both the side scroller will get applied. Scroll bar. Okay, next after this, we will create one more division. There we will not apply the overflow auto, we will apply something else. So copy the same CSS and add here. Word break, break all. You remove that from here and keep as a block 2. Block 2. Okay, block 2, hope you are ready. Change the background is sky blue. Come to the HTML file. Again, copy this division, paste below. Give the ID as a block 2. ID as a block 2. ID as a block 2. Now save the file. Check once. In this, X and Y, both the scroller will get applied because the content length is bigger. Here you can see. Both the side scroller got applied. The third block will create. In that we will keep the scroller only for X, or maybe we can keep only for Y, not for the X. Okay, both options we have, we can apply. Now let's go ahead and keep one more block like this. Div, keep here, block 3. Block 3. Now for block 3, we will apply the permission. There only will give for the X, not for Y. So we'll go to the CSS and we'll keep the same ID again. Block 3, and under the block 3, we can write here call overflow X hidden. Overflow, we can keep overflow hyphen X as X as hidden and overflow Y as auto. So width wise you will not get any scroller, only height wise you will get the scroller. Height wise you will get the scroller. Width wise you will not have any kind of scroller. Okay. See, only the scroller we have in height with some contents are hidden. So this is called overflow related example. Next, we can create the next missing one more thing that is called gradient. Gradient. Like background, we have set till now single color. How you can set the multicolor in the gradient? Like red, green, blue, multiple color combination together. So let's go. Create a next file. Give file name call gradient.html. Gradient.html. So hope this is working. Gradient.html. 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 Also, you can call the same CSS file. Okay, now come to the CSS file, style.css. Under the style.css file, the style.css file, for body tag, you can write here background hyphen image colon background image gradient sky blue, blue, then orange. So body color will be the combination of three color now. For Suma GS08 also invitation was sent long back. You can check in your email and you can follow that. Okay. Suma GS08 invitation was sent. You can search in the email CRM Software Academy and you can follow same step. You can get the video access. Hope ready? Check now. Is color is coming which color? You can run the example 4. Gradient.html file we can run. Background is not coming. For body tag we are written is okay. Here also we call the same file. Style2.css, style sheet, body tag is fine. Anyone is getting any color?
Sir.
For me it's not showing here. What I have written?
Sir, I think this should be linear gradient or what? It is not taking a gradient.
Which is not taking?
This value gradient, I think so. You can.
Gradient, yeah. Is it correct only? Oh, it's a linear gradient,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's correct. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Linear gradient. It's not only gradient. It's a linear gradient. Let's see. Color combination is coming. Here you have written for this block 3 you have written. Here also you can write background as a linear gradient only, some 2 color combination. You can give something green and orange combination. Color black will be okay. For block 3, 2 color combination. That should reflect in the overflow file. Yeah. Green and this is coming, 2 color combination. Green on the top, and orange in the bottom. That is called multicolor combination. How to set multicolor combination? Okay, next, then we can log in tomorrow. This video activity has taken long time today. Tomorrow, few more CSS points we can discuss. How to create the variable. Then
I have not received any mails earlier as well.
email ID, I'll tell you what is the email is.
SumaJS08@gmail.
Yes, you have to search in your email box. In email box, you have to search that name, this name. SIYARAMSOFT.
I have searched.
You have to search in the email. It's saying here is SUMAGS08. In email box, you have to search it. It should be somewhere. SUMAGS08@gmail.com. Yeah, on this email ID, no, I'm not asking to send your email. I'm asking go to your inbox, and in your inbox, you search this name. There should be invitation somewhere.
No, sir. I have not received any mail.
You are checking the same email box.
Yes, sir.
Oh no, then you can check for the next email. Wait for the next email. I will delete from there again. I will video.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
We can log out. See you tomorrow.